Alright, hello. This is episode 1 of For the Hoods Trading. So, we're gonna jump right in with the trade that's going on right now. First, we will check if this is working. Goodbye. Alright, so we're jumping into the first trade. Now, just to start off, I think that everybody thinks that trading should be difficult, that it has to be hard. But we're gonna jump at this from a different perspective. Maybe it's not as difficult as one thinks. So we'll be exploring that way of thinking by making things simplified, by simplifying the graphics, the analysis, everything. So, where do we begin? Okay. We are looking at the USD yen. That is GPY. That is the Japanese yen, I think. So, this is the graph. We are on the 15-minute chart. So, this is every bar is 15 minutes. So, here's where the week began, and here we are now. So, as we see, there is a downtrend. So that is our first factor. Look at the overall downtrend. On the 15, on the hour, on the 30-minute, doesn't matter. Just look at the overall picture. You gotta get the picture. So when we see the picture, it's going down. So if you think it's gonna go down even more, so then this just confirms that your choice will probably be good for some time. You gotta get out though. Get out of the trades, take your profit, and go on to the next trade. Mike just fell. That is also a very important key of our tactics, of the tactics that we'll be using. Getting out of the trades. Okay. So we see the overall picture. As we saw, it was going down. Now time for our other analysis features. So now we will be, I've already set them, but I usually set the strong supports, the supports, the breaks, whatever, all those lines, the strong ones that if they get past like crazy, and if they don't, then they bounce right off. So here's our first support line right here because of this groupment. So it seems like a strong support. Another one is this one here. You see, got this little trend, stopped here. It moved around here. So we see that there's a strong support here too. So we put that one before I even went into this trade. Then we go to the bottom ones, and we see one here. This one. And we here sticks around, here it breaks through, here it bounces off, and the last one over here. About somewhere here, somewhere here. You could have put it lower if you want. Doesn't really matter. It's just for visuals, to get a overall picture, as I already said. So here we have our crazy support levels, and here it is in the middle. So, what do you think I did when it got to this support level, or this whatever level? I chose sell. Okay, I was fairly certain from looking at the graph. You see, it hits this point. It already hit it once, and it went down. It hit it again, all over here. It even hit this one, but it still went down. So, what are the chances that the next time it hits it, which it hit it here and here, that it's gonna go down once again? The chances are pretty big. Plus we factor in, what is this thing? I don't even use this thing. Plus we factor in the big graph that was going down. You see the whole trend that's already going down? Yes. So with all those points, we make a trade, but we don't. Mike fell again. Sorry. But we make a trade, but not only one. Seeing as this broker has a limit of 5 trades, we did all 5. Why not? If we're certain about our move, then we're pretty damn certain we're gonna go all in. This technique will be called all in, but not all in. Uh-huh. Yes, I know. So that's the first analysis. Pretty easy stuff, pretty self-explanatory, really. It's going down, it went up once, it's probably going to go down again. Now, as you see, our profits we want it to go down. So we might just come out of this trade right now. But we're pretty certain, we're still certain that it might hit this bottom layer here. So if it hits this layer here, it's probably an extra like 80, 70 pips. Not too shabby. So yeah, we're fairly certain it's gonna go down to this area, so we're probably gonna close it when it gets there. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.